Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage default apps on a Dell laptop. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, enter apps, go for default apps, and here you can either search by applications. That means you can just click on one of the apps available right here. So like we're gonna go with Edge, and then set it as a default browser right here, and you can do it with different apps. A different way to do it is to set default apps by the file type. So for example, if you want to open RAR files with different apps, you can go for the RAR, actually .rar, and then you can choose a default app for that extension, and you can do the same thing with .zip as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.